Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Make sure your cheesecake is chilled overnight so that it's very firm. Remove the band from the pan. Take a large knife or metal spatula and carefully run it under the bottom of the cheesecake to loosen it. Then use 2 or 3 large pancake turners to carefully lift the cake over to the platter. 19 June 2019.
Take our lead.
Can I make cheesecake without a springform pan? As Alton Brown puts it, a cheesecake needs a springform like a fish needs a bicycle. In other words, yes. You don't need a springform pan for your cheesecake. 22 January 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Place the cheesecake pan on a wire rack to cool at room temperature. Make sure that the cake cools completely before you set it in your fridge. When you do place your cheesecake in the fridge, cover the dessert with plastic wrap. Cooling the cake in this manner permits the flavors to blend. 1 June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your recipe calls for a 10-inch springform pan, a 9x13 pan, 9-inch tube pan or 10-inch bundt cake pan would be good substitutes. You can also use multiple pans for the batter, though you'll need to double the crust. 2 deep dish pie plates, 9-inch cake pans or 8x4-inch loaf pans would all work well. 22 January 2020.
Take our lead.
Refrigerate the cheesecake for at least 6 to 8 hours, but overnight is better. For a sturdy no-bake cheesecake with beautifully neat slices, refrigerate for at least 12 hours. This makes for a great make-ahead dessert. Do not freeze the cheesecake to set it. 14 March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.